So here's a little nerd alert. How does our tissue send information to the brain? Well, we have a bunch of sensors. In fact, we can say trillions of sensors in our body, in our tissue, even on our nerves. Uh, and these sensors get activated all the time. And so enough of these sensors have to be triggered at once for a message to be sent up to the brain. So think of a revolver. I hate to have a violent imagery, but it makes a point. If you think of an old-fashioned revolver where you have to pull a trigger, as you slowly pull the trigger, a hammer starts cocking back. You have to fully pull the trigger for the gun to fire. Well, same thing with a nerve. Enough sensors have to be activated for an electrical signal to be sent up to the brain. So on the screen is a graph of something called an action potential. You might have learned about it in biology class, physiology class. And basically, a threshold has to be met before a nerve fires an electrical signal to the brain. And if enough sensors don't get activated, a signal does not go up. So just like the trigger, you can half pull the trigger and then gently let it go back to the start. The gun doesn't fire. So same thing with a nerve. Enough of these sensors have to go off for the message to be sent to the brain. And as far as these sensors go, we'll talk a little more about them later. We say there's trillions of them. They're basically broken up into three main groups: chemical sensors, thermal sensors, temperature sensors, and mechanical or movement sensors.